Hi everyone, welcome to the Fab 4 Crafting Tools collaboration, where each month we select either dies, punches, embossing folders, or masks, or all of the above, or only one or two of them, and we bring you a card or more. I tried to do more than one card, but I didn't this month. I only brought you one. And so this month I used just masks. This one, which is out of Stampin' Up's new Plenty of Patterns decorative masks. These are new in the 2021 to 2022 annual catalog. This is the one I used, but there's also this fabulous one I can't wait to use, as well as like an overall floral kind of thing, which I almost used but changed my mind. And there's also this one, which could be, you know, mermaid scales or whatever you want it to be. I think that could even, well, never mind. I just got an idea for a holiday that we'll see. Okay, so I used that one as a background, and then if I can get these back together, they're hooked on to each other. All right, and then of course I used blending brushes. I actually was going to use soft succulent and I didn't like it, so I used fresh freesia. That's my color theme for this card. And I used the Simply Succulents bundle, this die, and this die for a sentiment, even though that's really to cut out this flower, so I used it as a label, and this big die and the pot, and I think, and this one I die cut out a flower. I mean, what do they call it? Succulent. I stamped and die cut that as well. So I used this, and thanks. All right, and this one now. This is a 5 1/4 by 5 1/2 by 4 1/4 roughly. I die cut it in soft succulent, but I cut some of these. I just cut like 2 of these succulents out. I didn't use it as a background because I'd already done the background, and here is my card. So these are the pieces out of that die. I might do another card with this die because I love it. Here I stamped the pot on fresh freesia, and you can't even see it, but I actually colored with the markers. So this is actually a little darker than the fresh freesia because I went over it with my alcohol marker. Fresh freesia ribbon. The pot, and this I colored in with fresh freesia light, soft succulent dark and light blend. Stampin' blends the alcohol markers. Same with this little one after I stamped them all in Memento Tuxedo Black. And this is where I used this flower succulent die as a label and just stamp thanks, and I think that came out beautifully. What do you think? So I only use dies and masks or stencils. This back here is the designer series paper, the in colors 21 to 23, and it's this one here, but on the inside I just used cardstock in soft succulent, and I stamped in fresh freesia. You make the ordinary extraordinary. I thought that went well together, and I thought about stamping or putting another die cut here, but I decided not to. So that's it. That's all I have this month for Fab 4. Please do go check out all the other awesome creators in this collaboration, where there's just a small group of us, and see what we've done, what they've done for this month's Fab 4 collab. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and ring the notification bell so you know when we're posting, when I'm posting, and I hope to see you again soon. Yeah, bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.